In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a GIF image in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add the GIF image. Once your document is open, place your cursor in the location where you want the GIF to appear. This helps you insert the image exactly where you want it within your document. Next, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon. From the options available, look for Pictures and click on it. You will see options for adding pictures to your document. If the GIF image is saved on your computer, choose this device. A file selection window will appear. Browse through your files and locate the GIF image you want to add to your document. Once you find the correct GIF, select it and click Insert. Microsoft Word will then place the GIF into your document at the location of your cursor. After the GIF has been inserted, you can adjust its size to fit your document. Click on the GIF to select it, and you will see handles around the edges of the image. To resize the GIF, click and drag one of the corner handles. Using a corner handle helps you adjust the size while keeping the image proportions consistent. Resize it until it fits the layout of your document. You can also change how the GIF interacts with the surrounding text. With the image selected, look for the Layout Options button that appears near the image. Click this button to view the available text wrapping options. Choose the option that works best for the layout of your document. This allows you to control how the text is positioned around the GIF. Once you are satisfied with the position and size of the GIF, you can continue working on your document. Keep in mind that animated GIFs may not always play as an animation in every version or view of Microsoft Word. Depending on the version of Word you are using and how you view the document, the GIF may appear as a still image instead. When everything looks the way you want, save your Word document to keep your changes. You have now inserted a GIF image into Microsoft Word and adjusted it to fit your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,